Meet Rita. Just like many other budding entrepreneurs, she has decided to start her own e-commerce store where she will sell jewelry and other accessories. She is looking for web hosting options and wants to know more about cloud computing before taking a decision. Let us help her out with this situation. In the simplest terms, cloud computing means storing and accessing data and programs virtually over the Internet, instead of your computer's hard drive. The cloud is nothing but a metaphor for the Internet. While the term cloud computing was popularized with Amazon.com releasing its Elastic Compute product, references to the phrase appeared as early as 1996, with the first known mention in a Compaq internal document. Cloud service is sold on demand, by the minute or the hour. It is elastic, a user can have as much service as wanted. The service is fully managed by the provider, the consumer needs only a computer and internet. The goal of cloud computing is to allow users to take benefit from all technologies, without the need for deep knowledge or expertise. The cloud aims to cut costs, and helps the users focus on their core business. Private cloud is operated for a single company, managed internally or by a third party, and hosted internally or externally. A private cloud project requires significant engagement to virtualize the business. A cloud is called a public cloud network when the services are rendered over a network that is open for public utility. Public cloud services are sold on demand, typically by the minute or the hour. Hybrid cloud is a composition of two or more clouds, private, community or public, that remain distinct entities but are bound together, offering the benefits of multiple deployment models. Let's talk about the essential advantages of cloud computing. Cloud service advocates of public and hybrid clouds note that cloud computing allows companies to avoid or minimize upfront IT infrastructure costs. Cloud computing allows enterprises to get their applications up and running faster, with improved manageability and less maintenance, and enables IT teams to more rapidly adjust resources to meet unpredictable demand. Following are some of the companies offering cloud services: Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, and BSP. Adobe. Rita is now ready to take a well-informed decision. Hope you liked the video. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.